Hey guys, it's Gigi. Listen, I had one of my followers ask me the other day if I could show them how I did my napkins and my napkin rings on my place setting on my dining room table. So I'm going to take the opportunity today and show you how to do that, okay? I am just using a plain square red napkin, okay? And all I do is I take and start from the corner to corner, and I fold it down, and then I fold it back. I fold it down, I fold it back, almost like a fan or an accordion type. I just take it, fold, go back this way and fold it forward, fold it back, just keeping a hold of it the whole time. Fold it down, and then you'll come to the end and you will fold it down, okay? And then you will just go right to the center so that your napkin is going to be the same size. If it's not, you can adjust it. Just pull it down a little bit more on that side until it's the same length on both sides. And then you just take whatever, I'm using these little truck napkin rings because that's obviously just what I have in my dining room, but you take whatever napkin rings that you're using. You just push the napkin through to the bottom, pull it up to the center, push your napkin ring up to about the center of the napkin, and you have a napkin fan, okay? There's so many different ways that you can do it. In years past, I have taken my napkin and put my hand right up in the middle and just give it a shake like this. This is an easy, simple way. And then push it up like that is another way that you can do it. I just like the fans. But you can do it either way. Both ways are so simple. But since this is the one that's on my table, I'm going to do it one more time for you. And you just open your napkin completely up. You just fold it down. I'd say maybe a ½ an inch to an inch is about as wide as I go with mine. I mean, listen, if you wanted wider ones, I mean, you can, and you got bigger napkin rings. I just have small napkin rings, so I just chose to make a little small. But listen, you could do larger ones, okay? You can fold it large and have bigger, bigger fans if you've got a bigger napkin ring. But anyhow, let's do it again. I take my napkin from corner to corner, bend it down about ½ an inch to an inch, and I just start folding forward and backward motions, okay? Forward, backwards, actually backwards, forward. Same thing. I think I just got a little ahead of myself. And you just do that until you run out of napkin, okay? And then you work your fingers up through there. You bend it in the dead center until you have the same amount on both sides. You push let me see if I've got, yeah, that's the right side. You just push your napkin through your napkin ring and pull it up to about halfway. There again, just work your little napkin out, and then you've got, there you go. That's how simple it is, guys. I hope this is helpful. If you want to try this on your dining room table, on your Christmas table, that's how easy it is. Just use your color choice of napkins and your napkin rings, and there you have it. Thank y'all. Bye.